Portuguese video, yung parang yung dahon ng saging, parang lechon, walang tapon. Kagaya nito, tinanggalan ko na siya ng dahon, yung dahon, pero nag-umiihi yung mga kambing. So anong gagawin? Pakainin. Ibigay sa kanila ang dahon at ang tangkay. Umiihi. Pwede ko rin kainin. Pampaano ng if you are having problem with diarrhea, pwede nyo itong kainin. But then, don't chew it as it is because it's very hard. The leaves are very hard. So, gumawa kayo ng paraan. Iluto ninyo or i-blender or whatever ano to yung paraan, whatever way you could think of para makakain kayo ng dahon. Especially yung mga malambot, yung mga young leaves, yung mga hindi pa nag-bloom. So, bibigyan natin ang sikip. Magdadagdag pa tayo. Mayroon din, ano doon, hindi nila abot yung sampalok leaves. Kasi may mga taga second floor na kambing. Because in this area, mas binabaha usually, kasi nga mayroon ng, yung mga rice, mga farm noon, mga rice field noon, nagiging residential areas na, kaya ang tendency is, pwedeng mabaha anytime, maski maliit lang yung tubig, dahil yung mga pinupuntahan ng tubig noon ay nagiging residential areas na, and then, soon there will rise a domestic airport in our barangay. A domestic airport na, so madaming land areas or rice fields ang natabunan na talaga daw. But sooner or later, I will go there to personally live vlog if I could about the airport within our barangay. So nasa second floor sila kasi aabot yata hanggang dito yung tubig. So mas taasan pa siya. As it goes, lumalakas ang tubig. That is global problem. Hindi lamang dito, nagbabagong panahon, nagbabago rin ang landscape ng buhay natin. So ayan siya. Magkakat ulit ako ng mga dahon. Ito naman yung santol. Any trees or leaves here could be eaten by the mekmek. There is also mulberry nandyan. Pwede. Mango leaves, nandyan sila, mulberry, and then yung tamarind. Yung atis, nandyan, and then may tamarind pa doon. Tignan mo yung nasa second floor. Ang sosyal, mayroon silang bahay na, na mataas. To avoid being, madali kasi magkasakit ang mga kambing or madaling mamatay kapag sila ay na ulanan or nabasa o yung kanilang lugar ay damp o hindi sila komportable. Pero si Kakang Nels, umulan o umaraw, patuloy pa ring rumarakit. So papakainin ulit ng kangkong. There is the kangkong. Pwede ito. I will personally give them this kangkong. Mayroon silang basket to put their food in. There's one basket there, and these people here or these goats here, they are here. Okay, I'm going to put them. Yan siya. Ito yung isa na nasa labas ng munti ay kumakain na mag-isa from the basket of water spinach or kangkong. Yan. Pwede ko rin itong kainin. Kasi almost all the greens could be eaten raw if they are edible. And kangkong, spinach or water spinach is edible. So I'll try it. It is. Umakyat yung isa, oh. Gusto ring makipag-agawan. Though, it has a lot of food here that it could reach easily. There's one more basket. This was originally a pig pen, I suppose, I guess. But then, during the pandemic, I guess, nung may foot and mouth disease, lahat yata ng 20 pigs ay nadedo. So you could just imagine, yung pain ng, sabi natin, business, kasi 20 yata yun na baboy. I believe mga 2 or 3 years ago, but they didn't tell me about it. Para hindi ako ma-bother o para hindi ako ma-stop. Eventually, nalaman ko na lang. So, may bunga na yung mulberry. Some are ready. Ayan siya. Doon ko pinitas yung kalamansi 3 days ago. Ito din yung basket ng para sa mga kambing. Meron silang tubig. When they get thirsty, water is ready. But this needs to be changed constantly or regularly. Where the Gayubana, ang purpose ko lang kanina ay para i-vlog lang yung pagpapakain ng kambing. Pero nangati ang paa at kamay. Mahogany. Maybe tomorrow I will climb or make sungkit the makapuno. As I promised to myself that I will make makapuno sweet ba yun? Jam? Hindi ko alam. Basta lalagyan lang ang asukal and then vanilla flavor. So eto, ini-ignore nila from the makapuno tree, which is here. Ayan. Another calamansi. Mahogany. Chico. Not yet ready. Not the season yet. But they are preparing themselves to be ready. Sorry for the term, sorry for the words. Coming from a neophyte vlogger. A greenhorn bagito. Bagito pa lang sa pagbablog. Okay. Excuse me po. Chico. Diyan kami galing. From this road or from this way, galing kami doon sa kumari ko na furniture ko sa kanyang farm ng mga tropical and exotic trees and fruit bearing trees dito. So about 7 minutes walk, nandun na. This goes to the city hall, this area, this way. Ganyan ang kulay nila, yellow, green and blue. Ito yung Nara tree. It's a sturdy tree. Parang ano yan eh. Parang mahogany din. No, Nara. Parang Gimelina. Ito mas matibay. Na ano, parang acacia tree. Pero ang Nara tree is another story. Napakatibay na kahoy yan. Pagka ang furniture mo ay made from Nara, especially yung talagang sabi natin centuries old or century old or 50 years old na Nara, your furniture must be something. Ipil. Samantalang ako, wala nang ipin-ipin. Coconut tree. This is, they call dwarf tree. Soon, there is already flower, but it didn't make it. There is actually, I could see it now, just now, meron na pala siyang bunga. Ito yung tinatawag nilang dwarf cocoa, kagaya nung nandun kay Kumare Lailani Galot doon sa farm tour ko kagabi o kahapon. Ito na siya, just big as this, and it has fruits already. Balikan natin yung mga kambing. They hate me now because I abandoned them for not giving them food. All I can hear from them is the umiihi. You give some more. To this area. All of them will be sent out later to the field from the nearby area, to the nearby area. Ang likod dito is rice field, fish ponds din na marami. So maraming kangkong from this area, which is maganda para sa mga hayop. Pwede rin itong ulamin, yung adobong kangkong. There, itong kwan. Ito ay Indian mango tree. Pero yung kondol ba ang tawag dito? Dito siya nag-creep. Andyan yung bunga niya. Hindi yan pumangga. Nakapulot ako ng kumuha ko ng dalawa before gagawin ko yung batcho sa Ilocano, yung lalagyan mo ng atsuete tapos igisa. Yun na. Nandun yung yung Burnay in Ilocano. I'm afraid to go here dahil medyo I have traumatic experiences here, a lot of experiences before. Marami akong mga nakikitang friendly na snakes, and I'm afraid of even the hissing of the snake. If you scare me with the hissing sound, I would hit you kasi alam ko yun, galing sa ahas yun. I'm afraid of these animals. Ito kinakain din yan ng mga ng mga kambing. Pati yung madre de cacao, pwede rin yan sa mga kambing. Pero mayroong yatang halaman or leaves na bawal sa kanila kasi if they eat these leaves na bawal ay magtatai sila. So balik na tayo, gagawa na tayo ng bibingkang malagkit. Bye for now. I'll see you later. Oops. Kumustahin natin yung mga muna ha. Bye for now, pangalawa na yata yun. Yung ating sampalok, nandun siya, yung isa, mas malalaki ang bunga, abot kamay, ayan siya. Pero yan, mga pwede itong pangsigang, or para dun sa yun, pansigang. Pero dito malalaki na, mas nauna daw itong namunga, and pwede na itong manibalang na yung iba, yung especially yung nasa taas. Dito ako kumuha noon. Yung malalaki yung nasa taas. Ayun po. Santol na magkapatid. Hindi, isa lang. Nag-branch lang pala yun. Aaliw ako dito sa mga ganyan o yung mga vines or yung mga roots. Hindi yan roots eh. Pandagdag palamuti lang dito sa ganitong uri ng creeps or ng vine. Yung mga ano. Mangga. Dito ako kumuha ng dahon. Beside the mahogany, dragon fruit tree. Ito ay hindi yan para itong nara. Mayroon ding miracle fruit dito sa may likod, andito siya. Miracle fruit para atis. Pwede na itong ulamin, itong isa. Ulamin namin yan one of these days. Kakat ko dyan kasi malayo na doon sa pinakalas na pwedeng mahinog, so pwede na siya. May halos kalahating dangkal na or more than kalahati. Dito ko yan. It could be tomorrow or the other day. Bye bye.